SYTOXCAR.
The 2025 Audi RS5 Sportback is a premium sports car that perfectly combines exceptional performance with sleek, functional design. As one of Audi's flagship models, the RS5 Sportback for the 2025 model year benefits from technological refinements and performance upgrades. Powered by a 2.9-liter V6 twin-turbo engine that delivers up to 444 horsepower, this car offers a fast and responsive driving experience while remaining comfortable for everyday use. Its exterior design is equally stunning, with sharp, aerodynamic lines that reflect its sporty character, all while maintaining the elegant look that Audi is known for. The history of the RS5 dates back to 2010 when Audi introduced the RS5 Coupe as the successor to the RS4, a more powerful model with a focus on performance. The RS line within Audi's lineup has always been a symbol of power and speed, utilizing advanced technology derived from Audi's motorsport experience. Over the years, the RS5 evolved beyond just the coupe form, introducing the Sportback variant, which offers more versatility with additional rear doors and a larger trunk space. Without sacrificing performance, the RS5 Sportback was created to cater to those who want the thrill of driving a sports car, but with the comfort and practicality of a luxury sedan. Inside, the RS5 Sportback features a high-quality interior with premium materials like leather and carbon fiber, as well as Audi's latest infotainment technology. Drivers can enjoy the advanced MMI system, easy-to-use navigation, and a host of safety features that ensure each drive feels both secure and enjoyable. Audi has also ensured that the 2025 RS5 Sportback keeps up with modern trends, including the development of a mild hybrid system to improve fuel efficiency without compromising performance. This makes the RS5 Sportback more environmentally friendly than its predecessors, while still delivering the quick acceleration that defines the model. With the Quattro all-wheel drive system, this car offers maximum control in various road conditions, giving drivers confidence behind the wheel. Overall, the 2025 Audi RS5 Sportback is designed for those who appreciate a balance between high performance and premium comfort. It is a car that not only looks stunning, but also possesses the power to deliver an extraordinary driving experience. The combination of Audi's motorsport heritage and modern technological innovation makes the RS5 Sportback the perfect choice for automotive enthusiasts seeking the best of both worlds.